Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Few students are asking me a doubt. Will Masterminds teach all the chapters in CA Intro crash batches? So I am able to understand why they even got such doubt. Because there are several institutions in the market who are not doing proper justification to crash batches by teaching just 250 hours. Don't worry, such kind of things will never happen with Masterminds. Of course, students are also not preferring such kind of coaching of 250 hours. So students are expecting detailed coaching. My dear students, this time in case of crash batch, the available time is very less. So it is not possible even for us to teach all the chapters. Just like any other institution, we need to skip some chapters. But the only difference is we are going to teach 400 hours of classes through Zoom platform, and we will also teach 100 hours of classes through video lectures. That means we will be skipping some unimportant chapters, and those unimportant chapters will not be dealt through Zoom platform, and for those unimportant chapters we will be providing video lectures for 100 hours. That means we are literally giving coaching for 500 hours. 400 hours of coaching through Zoom platform, 100 hours of coaching through video lectures. Whereas what other institutions are doing, they are giving coaching only for 250 hours and they are skipping even important chapters also, and they are not giving detailed coaching as we are giving. Since we are giving coaching in 500 hours, that means we are giving detailed coaching for all the chapters. But since they are giving coaching for only 250 hours, that means they are not giving detailed coaching, they are giving only brief coaching. We can't even call it as coaching, it's only guidelines, that's it. In just 250 hours, we cannot give any coaching, we can only give guidelines. So in this 250 hours, they are skipping even important chapters. But in our case, we are not skipping even a single chapter. So we are leaving few chapters from Zoom platform and teaching those classes, those chapters through video lectures. That means we are not skipping any chapter. We are providing classes to all the chapters. 400 hours through Zoom platform, 100 hours through video lectures. So even in this short span of time, we are going to teach all the chapters. Of course, students are also understanding this and recognizing our strategy and supporting our strategy. So they are supporting detailed coaching rather than brief guidance. Of course, that is the reason they are not calling it as crash batch. So they are not naming it as crash batch because it's not coaching at all. It is just brief guidelines. It's just guidance. It cannot be considered as coaching. But what we are offering is coaching. So even in our earlier crash batches, we have given coaching in approximately 500 hours. And even this time also we are giving coaching even for 500 hours. But the only difference is 400 hours through Zoom platform, 100 hours through video lectures. That is the only difference. Hope that students don't get cheated. Students don't get cheated by joining in brief guidance rather than detailed coaching being provided by us in crash batches of Masterminds. So please give priority, please give preference to the institutions which are giving you detailed coaching in the name of crash batch rather than just giving some guidance. All the best, my dear students.